Acceptable. Acceptable. Meaning: able to be agreed on, satisfactory. Wearing formal attire is socially acceptable at a black tie event. The teacher praised the student for their acceptable behavior in class. Related words: suitable, tolerable, permissible, satisfactory, admissible, common. Common. Meaning: ordinary or widespread. After much discussion, we finally found some common ground on the issue. It just takes some common sense to know not to touch a hot stove. Related words: usual, ordinary, universal, frequent, compliant. Compliant. Meaning: willing to obey or conform. The company ensured that all their products were fully compliant with the safety standards. The students were praised for their compliant behavior during the school assembly. Related words: obedient, submissive, conforming, docile, adaptable, conventional. Conventional. Meaning: traditional, ordinary. He followed the conventional wisdom that exercise is important for maintaining good health. She preferred to use conventional teaching methods in her classroom. He followed the conventional wisdom that exercise is important for maintaining good health. He followed the conventional wisdom that exercise is important for maintaining good health. Related words: orthodox, mainstream, standard, traditional, customary. Mainstream. Mainstream. Meaning: conforming to the prevailing attitudes or tastes of a society. The story was covered by all major mainstream media outlets. The artist's work challenged mainstream culture norms. Related words: popular, conventional, norm, normal, normal. Meaning: usual, standard. It's normal practice for doctors to wash their hands between patients. His blood pressure is within the normal range for his age. Related words: average, standard, typical, usual, ordinary, normative. Normative. Meaning: establishing, relating to, or deriving from a standard or norm. The study focused on normative behavior in different cultures. The organization upholds normative values of honesty and integrity. Related words: conventional, prescriptive, ethical, standard, official. Official. Meaning: person in a position of authority. The company issued an official statement regarding the scandal. English is the official language of the United States. Related words: government, authorized, certified, approved, appointed, permissible. Permissible. Meaning: allowed. The company's actions were legally permissible under current regulations. Some people argue that euthanasia can be morally permissible in certain situations. Related words: allowable, acceptable, admissible, authorized, legitimate, standard, standard, meaning, a level of quality. Our company strives to maintain a high standard of customer service. Our software product meets the industry standard for data encryption. Related words: normal, average, criteria, quality, benchmark,
Standardized. Standardized.
meaning,
Processed or taught according to a standard set of guidelines. Students across the country are required to take standardized testing. The company has standardized procedures for handling customer complaints.
related words: uniform, regulated,
Normalized.
traditional, traditional, meaning, following or belonging to the customs or ways of a particular group or society. He believes in traditional values such as respect for elders and hard work. They played traditional Irish music at the pub last night. Related words: conventional, customary, heritage, antiquated, ritual,
Unwritten. Unwritten.
meaning,
Not written or formalized. There seems to be an unwritten rule that you have to wear a suit to the event. Their partnership was based on an unwritten agreement.
related words:
Unsaid.
implicit, tacit. What is the meaning of the word official? The answer is D. Person in a position of authority. What is the meaning of the word normal? The answer is B. Usual, standard. What is the meaning of the word
Standardized.
The answer is B.
Processed or taught according to a standard set of guidelines.
Which of the following word means person in a position of authority? The answer is D. Official. What is the meaning of the word
Normative.
The answer is D.
Establishing, relating to, or deriving from a standard or norm.
What is the meaning of the word standard? The answer is B. A level of quality. Which of the following word means following or belonging to the customs or ways of a particular group or society? The answer is B. Traditional. Which of the following word means
Processed or taught according to a standard set of guidelines.
The answer is D.
Standardized.
Which of the following word means able to be agreed on, satisfactory? The answer is A. Acceptable. What is the meaning of the word conventional? The answer is B. Traditional, ordinary. Which of the following word means
Conforming to the prevailing attitudes or tastes of a society.
The answer is C. Mainstream. What is the meaning of the word acceptable? The answer is C. Able to be agreed on, satisfactory. What is the meaning of the word traditional? The answer is C. Following or belonging to the customs or ways of a particular group or society. What is the meaning of the word mainstream? The answer is A.
Conforming to the prevailing attitudes or tastes of a society.
Which of the following word means
Establishing, relating to, or deriving from a standard or norm.
The answer is A.
Normative.
Which of the following word means
Not written or formalized.
The answer is D.
Unwritten.
What is the meaning of the word common? The answer is C. Ordinary or widespread. Which of the following word means usual, standard? The answer is C. Normal. What is the meaning of the word compliant? The answer is C. Willing to obey or conform. Which of the following word means willing to obey or conform? The answer is D. Compliant. Which of the following word means a level of quality? The answer is A. Standard. Which of the following word means ordinary or widespread? The answer is A. Common. What is the meaning of the word permissible? The answer is C. Allowed. What is the meaning of the word
Unwritten.
The answer is C.
Not written or formalized.
Which of the following word means traditional, ordinary? The answer is D. Conventional. Which of the following word means allowed? The answer is A. Permissible.